Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our next maths lab activity. Here the activity is based on unit fractions. Let us see the aim of the activity. Aim of the activity is to make a picture or a pattern using unit fractions. I am repeating, to make a picture or a pattern using unit fractions. So first of all, we should know the meaning of unit fractions. Do you have any idea of unit fractions? Yes? Yes, very good. The unit fractions are the fractions with numerator 1. So 1 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 10, 1 by 13, 1 by 20. These are unit fractions. Correct? So unit fractions are the fractions with 1 as the numerator. Here, students, what you have to do, using these unit fractions, we have to make a picture or a pattern. For that, we should represent few unit fractions on the craft paper. Okay? Any unit fractions you can represent on the craft papers, and then you have to paste them in order to get a picture. So for that, you will draw few circles with the different red eye. You can use any color. I am using two colors so that it will look more colorful, beautiful or attractive. You can use any color of your choice. Two different colors you should use so that it will look more attractive. So here I have taken a purple color and pink color. I have drawn 3 circles with different red eye. You can choose any red eye and you can draw few circles. Okay. Then we will represent few unit fractions. Okay, on the circle. Now this is the circle. I am going to fold it into 2 equal parts. Okay, and then I will unfold it. So the each part will represent 1 by 2. Very good. As this is one part out of 2 equal parts. So this is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. Okay. Then I will take another circle. Keep it aside. Then I will take another circle and I will fold it into 2 equal parts first of all. Okay. Then one more time I will fold into 2 equal parts and I will press it tightly. Then I will unfold the paper. See here. How many parts I have got here? Yes, very good. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have divided the circle into 4 equal parts. So each part of the particularly this circle will represent 1 by 4. Okay. Then I will take one more circle. This is the third circle. Now I will divide it into 2 equal parts first of all. Then one more time I will divide and one more time. So in this way I have divided the circle in 3 times into equal parts. Okay. Now let us see how many parts are made or in how many parts the circle is divided. Let us find out. See here, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each part represents 1 by 8 as there are 8 equal parts. Each part will represent 1 by 8. Is it okay? Now it is not compulsory to show 1 by 2, 1 by 4 or 1 by 8 on circles. Okay? Any unit fraction you can represent on circles or on the craft paper. It is up to you which unit fractions you want to use in order to make a picture or a pattern. Now unit fractions are ready. We have to make some picture or a pattern. So for that I should cut unit fraction. I should separate it from the original paper. So this is one unit fraction. Then this is the second unit fraction. This is 1 by 4 as it is one part out of 4 equal parts. So this is 1 by 4 and this is 1 by 8. I will separate it from the original paper. Okay. You can make 1 by 10 also if you want to make 1 by 10 unit fractions. So you have to divide the paper into 10 equal parts and then you have to separate the parts. Is it okay? So this is 1 by 8. So I am separating 1 by 8, that is the unit fraction, from the original circle. Okay. Few more we may require while making the picture or a pattern. So I am separating all unit fractions from the original circles. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to use these unit fractions in order to make the picture. Okay. Now it is properly cut. See what I am going to do here. This is 1 by 2. I am going to paste it with the Fevistick. You can use any pasting material. Let us apply the Fevistick here so that we can get any picture. Let us see what type of picture we are going to get. Okay, this is 1 by 2. Then (1 by 4) I am going to use the next unit fraction. I was having 1 by 4, so I am going to paste 1 by 4 here. Is it okay? Then yes, what I am making here, can you guess? Yes, I think now you are able to find out what we are getting. See how mathematics is useful in order to get different shapes. Then again, yes, can you guess? Here I am pasting this 1 by 8 part. Then I am pasting remaining. Here I am pasting one more 1 by 8. While pasting, please take care that they should not overlap each other. Okay. You can make different picture other than this, different patterns also other than this. You should use your own creativity and try to make different pattern. It is not different picture. It is not compulsory to make the same pattern. See what is formed here. Can you guess? Yes, very good. A picture of bird we obtained. Now I am going to make the legs here. Okay. So a picture is obtained of a bird. So in this way you can use unit fractions to make a bird. It is not compulsory the bird is only to be formed or a picture only is to be formed, but you can make a pattern also. Let me show you some pattern here. we were having these unit fractions, so you can arrange them in the some different way, some colorful way you can make. See here, some patterns in this way you can obtain. Make it more colorful, beautiful. See here, this pattern I am making for you. See, this way the different patterns also can be made. I have not completely made it here, but you can make it a different pattern also using such unit fractions. It is not compulsory to make same 1 by 2, 1 by 4 or 1 by 10 or 1 by 8. Okay, so this was 1 by 2. Okay, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, this is 1 by 8 unit fraction, this was 1 by 8, this is also 1 by 8, and this was also 1 by 8. So in this way, different unit fractions can be made or can be used to make a pattern or a picture. So here I have made a picture of bird. You can use your own creativity to make a pattern or a bird. It is not compulsory to make same type of the picture, but try to use some different. If you will not get some different, you can use the same type of the picture. You can make use of same type of unit fractions and make same type of the picture, that is bird only. Okay, and write down your roll number, class and section on the page itself. Okay, and submit it. I am going to assess it for 10 marks. This is for evaluation 2. So please submit it tomorrow only. Very simple. Today you can do it. Is it okay? So I hope you have enjoyed this activity and you will complete it and submit it me tomorrow only in the maths lab group. Okay. So it will be assessed for 10 marks. I am repeating. So positively you should submit it tomorrow only. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.